Okay, straight to here. Is this the worksheet that you're having also? Okay, correct, huh?
Can't see the screen. Can't see the screen.
Aiyo. Express this thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I want response. Tommy, last week you didn't respond very well. Here and there. So this week you must contribute more than last week, okay? 可以吗?
Bomber.
Mumble Cannot hear me
Bomb.
Bomber. No. Last week you didn't bomb. You only okay. You can bomb only one time lah. One for break, one for dismissal. Okay. All right. But when I ask for response, you must type on the function. Okay, let's start. 3 holes. Okay, as a decimal, you got the 3 hole there. And then the denominator is 125. And the 5 is on the numerator. So we have to change this to a 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4 by multiplying by how much?
4.
4 meh?
Wait, it's 8. Sorry.
8 When you times 8, you should get 40. And then 40. Actually, you can do this. Change to. It's not. Wait. 125 times 8, you get down to 1000. And this is 40. So you have 3.1. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal. So 3.123. So your 4 is here. So it's 304. Okay. So number B here. Okay, 1/25. Priya is here. Okay. So option number B. Okay. Next question. Let's turn to question 2. After spending, so he must have spent 30% of the savings, and that was for mobile phone. He was being left with 1,004. So this 1,004 is actually 70%. How much does the phone cost? So he's asking you for how many percent? 30%. So we can do them by column, or you want to call them the ratio, unitary, something like that. Okay, so you want to say that 30% is actually giving you how much?
Question mark.
Question mark. Good. But then you are given the 70%. Then we do 70%.
140.
Yeah, 1,400.
Yeah.
So, have I shown you the overhead bridge before?
Yeah, you have.
Correct, Get up the escalator. What is this number? 1,004. Cross the overhead bridge. You multiply, divide, sorry. So you divide by 70. Multiply down to escalator is multiplied by 30. Okay, straight away find 30 long. Don't need to find 1. You find 1, then after that you got to write again. So it time consumed. So okay.
60.
60. So $60, 600, not 60. Because of the 0. And then that is for option number 1. A. Okay. Next question.
But I want to. Is that
Can I? Okay. There are 2 angles that add up 180 at 180. Let's check. Let's check. Answer A and B, not possible. Okay, not possible. Number two, AC, A and C, no relationship. What? So still not possible. B and D. Because B and D is the B here angle, and this is this angle, because they have parallel line. So B is correct. Okay, so you have this one, 180 already, because of the line, right? So this one is possible. How about C and D? If you talk about C and D, I use this as C, yeah? No, because this is vertically opposite angle. So C and D has no relationship. So the answer is,
teacher, a question.
yeah.
Why can't you move C to below D?
Oh, because they are not parallel. Right?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
but because they're on a straight line.
They are on the straight line opposite each other, but they are not parallel.
Oh yeah.
There's a parallelogram over there.
Where's the parallelogram?
P, Q, R, and the other place.
Are you referring to this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. But then only this and this add up to be 180, right? Only BD, right? Correct? So this one cannot lah. Okay. Is there any other thing that you want to ask? Don't have. Okay, then let's go to question number 4. Jane was facing the post office at first. So she must be standing here lah. Okay, facing post office here.
Yeah.
So what did he do? He turned 90 degrees clockwise.
So it's right.
Yes. Then this is the step 1. He will end up here. So let's put another color. Another 225 turn, but now anti-clockwise. So how many 45?
So it's like left.
Left. So how many? 45.
130 plus 90. 45 plus 90 plus 90.
So I need to have 225, 180 here. Correct? So they are in the library. So this is for 4B. Okay, so far okay now. Library, yeah. Okay. And next one, question number 5. Ali spent half of his monthly allowance, donated 2/5 of the remainder, save the rest. Okay, half of the monthly allowance. Then he donated 2/5 of the remainder. Okay, with charity. So this one is meant for charity. And save the rest. Find the ratio of the amount saved, then do the amount spent. Okay, so now the question is you need to have to pull down. What's the keyword actually for this entire question? Testing you on something called what?
Ratio?
And not only that,
Remainder.
remainder. Correct. So because he spent half of his allowance, spent away, right? So this one, spent. Maybe I write behind outside spent. Okay, so from here to here. He donate 2/5 of the remainder. So you must have 5 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he will move this to the charity. Donate. Okay. So this is the charity here. The 5th. And then he saved the rest.
Can also put 5 boxes in the spend.
Yes, clever. So 5 boxes in the spend. So 1 for all, and then also one for all and all for 1. Remember? Gotten or not? Okay, so this one is how many unit? Charity is how many unit? Save how many
Unit.
unit? Yeah. So then spend 5. Charity save, right?
3
And
to
then
5. B.
3 to 5 B.
Which is B.
Yeah, B.
So
Okay.
easy.
Yeah, this one is easy because it's only like 1 mark question. Sometimes in your exam, it become a 2 mark question. If let's say it gets more, a little bit complicated lah.
I do this without working.
Wow, that's good leh. Oh, should do mental already. Okay, so the average mass of A and B will be 55. Okay, 2 person, each one is 55, 55. So that means we must know how to find the total, right? Then he say Andy weighs 10 kilogram heavier than Bernard. So we must find Bernard's mass for Bernard.
Too easy. Like primary 1 question.
Really?
Yeah. 55 minus 10. What?
Why 55 minus 10? You see.
No, it's wrong. That's wrong. I know how.
That's wrong. How? Because this is called the what? Ayo. This is called the average. Right.
Times 2.
So to find the total, you must times 2. Right? Why times 2? That is the total for 2. Okay. So since you have the total times 2 already, one is longer than the other, one is heavier than the other. So you see, I'm going to do a, what do you call that? Model drawing. One with a short bar. The other one is the long bar. And this is 10. Okay. Then the total is 1, 1. So who is heavier? A is heavier than B. So when this is 10, okay, you must get rid of 10 first. 1, 1, 0 minus 10. So you minus the 10, what you left with is 2 units. 100 divided by 2, get down to 50. Okay? So far, so good or not? Okay, Priya, are you catching up?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let me check.
Another way is
Priya, you didn't.
5 minus 10 divided by 2. That's more complicated.
You next time must put online. Go to the portal. Okay,
No. So you're cutting this into 2. This average is actually 5 and this unit.
10. So B will be Bernard 50. So far, so good. Okay, question number 7. How many quarters are there in 9 3/4? Oh,